In this video, I'm about to show you how to apply for Medicare in California. First, make sure you're eligible. You can apply if you're 65 or older or younger with a qualified disability or medical conditions like end-stage renal disease. You'll also need to be a U.S. citizen or permanent legal resident living in the U.S. for at least 5 continuous years. Now, go to the official Social Security website at ssa.gov. You can apply for Medicare online even if you're not ready to start receiving Social Security benefits yet. Then, click on Medicare Enrollment and select Apply for Medicare only. Now, sign into your account or create one if you don't have one. Then, follow the prompts to fill out your personal information, verify your identity, and submit the application. If you prefer, you can also apply by calling Social Security at 1-800-772-1213 or by visiting your local Social Security office. Just make sure to book an appointment before visiting. After applying, Social Security will review your application. If approved, you'll receive your Medicare card in the mail, usually within a few weeks. You'll automatically get Medicare Part A for free if you or your spouse paid Medicare taxes while working. For Medicare Part B, you'll pay a monthly premium unless you qualify for help. If you want additional coverage like a Medical Advantage plan or Part D for prescriptions, you'll need to enroll in those separately through private insurers once your original Medicare is active. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.